So today we're going to replace friend's TV that's damaged with a new one.
The TV of choice is the LG CX OLED TV. This TV is a 3840 by 2160 4K display at 120 Hz with HDR10.
This TV was damaged by a cat bite.
Yeah, this is what happens when your cat bites the corner of your TV.
Right over in the corner, and it killed,
Look at that.
the entire side of it. It seems to go about midway before the lines stop. Alright, let's take this off.
So grab it like here. Try to not grab it or bend it here.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to make it worse. So we tilt it.
Yep.
Grab a metal side if you can. I should do YouTube. Here. Just act like a fool.
Oh, I forgot to put my shoes on.
Unbelievable.
Anyway. Good job, dogs.
I forgot to take my shoes off.
F's in real life for both of you.
Go, move it.
Airden, come.
See how this goes. See why I'm on the side of it? So I can fall down the stairs. Oh boy. This is also super light compared to my TV, by the way. Really? Yeah. I always thought that this was like... Nope. It's super light. I got it. Oh, do you have to get your keys out? Oh, I don't have them. No keys. The door? No, I never leave it unlocked. Okay, well... Would you mind running upstairs with the keys?
Okay.
So the OLED is actually significantly lighter than my Sony that's roughly the same size.
The screen on the LG C9 is roughly the same thickness as the CX at 3mm.
This TV cost us, the new one is costing about $2,400.
Oh, sorry.
The Sony TV we got was about $1,500. For a 50-inch Sony for a 65-inch OLED, about $1,000 difference. That's a lot of money to get the better panel. Both of them are 4K. And it does 120 Hertz. Here. On this side. This Kyle's taking off the brackets in the back.
Oh, you want me to get that?
You know, instead of staring at me the entire time.
I mean, you're the star of the show, aren't you?
No, I'm the star now.
No, the star of the show is the TV. Well, that's what the entire video is about. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks. And we'll mount it the same way as the other one. Yep. 5 clicks. 5 clicks.
5 clicks.
And then it moves. It'd be kind of cool if you got the rolling TV. That would be cool.
A rolling TV?
Yeah, it rolls into the side, it's spinning when you turn it off. You stuck? Oh, so lift it. Yep. And then pull the bottom towards me. You? Yep. Oh, you do like that. And then we pray that nothing happened. Yep. We'll find out when you get it there. And that is how you put an OLED TV in the back of the truck. Now let's get the one unboxed. Okay. Wow, that didn't work out at all. Got one off. Now I'll let you one. Go ahead, cut through the top.
As I
It
cut,
is your TV after all.
as I cut the entire TV.
That would be something.
Just so you know, I have really bad luck. I'm probably scratching the entire screen right now.
I'll back up in case that's
Yeah, right.
That's just how it is. As I embarrass myself on cutting this.
You're a natural.
It's over.
Now we put the knife away.
Ah, we are so dumb. We didn't even have to do that, I don't think.
Nope.
Okay. Yeah.
That's
Wow.
great.
Alright, let's pull this straight off the top then.
And I'm an IT engineer.
Yeah, that's how you unbox the TV.
Grab it from the bottom. Flip straight up. Here you go. Come on, give it to me.
clean it on the.
Yep. Perfect. This is the part you don't see during unboxings. It's mounting it on
Yeah, so this
TV
is the mount we're using.
and undoing the plastic.
These just go on the back and then you hang it on here.
Yep.
Really easy. I know everyone's gonna be like, why using a drill? You're gonna strip the screws and crack your TV.
It's not stripping the screws. The issue with using a drill is sometimes you can put too much pressure on the mount and go straight through to the PCB inside and destroy the TV. But
Especially if they're
if
longer.
you know what you're doing and you use a torque limiter on the screw or on the drill head.
Settings are cool.
Features are cool. What features do you introduce them?
Settings, screws, mounts.
You can probably even lower that down to like 2. That's good.
Alright,
Now we mount it.
I think we're ready. Want to do the peel?
It's your teeth. You do the peel. Go for it.
Let's see. Oh, it's not the whole thing. I got ripped off. I want my money back. This back looks a little different. This too. So nice. I can feel all the static on my arm. Yeah, grab it from here.
Whoa.
Is there a peel?
Yes, there
Hi.
is.
There is. Ooh.
We've got one more peel for you guys.
Alright.
Is yours head on?
Yep.
Mine is.
Cool.
So we're in. Time for the very awesome peel. See if I can
Yeah, that was really cool.
Oh. It feels sturdier. Why did I have to put this underneath? Got it. Cool. Let's get it powered on.
With the broken one, you just saw there were lines all down the TV and a black spot here. As you can see, there are no more lines, nor are there black spots. This is what an OLED should look like. Super bright and super sharp angles. Thanks a ton for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to check out my other videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one.
That's a lot of stuff.
All the trash. I think. Now in the. Well, how you. You're gonna stand from here then.
Me?
Stand right there, buddy. Just on the stairs. Look down.
And look down?
Not look down, but like look at us throwing it over. Whoop, there's Kyle.
Hello.
Alright, before I get on the stairs,
Find out
Kyle,
where you're gonna be.
go downstairs.
He's not gonna catch it. We're tossing it from up here.
Yeah, so
Oh, you're tossing it in from up here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Just grab like multiple and just throw them.
I'm
Like,
literally,
make it-
get these ones out of the way first. So that way I don't fall off the stairs,
Oh,
okay?
oh,
Wait,
she's ready.
wait. Okay, ready?
You ready?
Yes.
Ah, ah,
Ah, I can't see.
Alright,
I
next.
don't know where I'm aiming.
So now,
You totally missed the dumpster.
that's okay. So now go down there and we're gonna do the same thing.
Okay.
Just making a mess.
Ready?
Almost.
You missed them all.
We got some of them in.
Some. You missed most of them.
Almost.